Okay, Oscar Echo Sierra X-Ray, one of the names on our pre-market watch list, starting to move here. 120,000 traded. AVEO starting to move here. Tango Charlie Oscar November. That was a late runner yesterday that washed out after hours. Starting to rally back here. NSPR. NSPR is getting some pretty good volume. We want to keep a close eye on it. OPTT pullback entry will be somewhere down here, and that's the problem. It hasn't pulled back. It's just like dip, dip, go. BILI strong this morning. BILI. BILI strong. Ooh, WWE match. That's what I needed. All right, Oscar Echo Sierra X-Ray shaking back and forth. OPTT strong. NSPR strong.